Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle, and if you're new here, please subscribe. We are already at that time of month again for the Bargain Bead Box. Their theme this month is Coastal Breeze, and basically it's white sands, turquoise seas, coral pinks inspire this month's seaside palette. Highlights include a carved shell drops, agate cubes and two-tone cylinders, natural mother of pearl rounds, and bumpy lampwork nautilus beads. Synthetic coral and electroplated lava stone give oceanic color and texture without damaging reefs, while crystal accent beads and a set of silver finish findings and starfish and shell motifs complete the collection. So that's what the theme is this month, Coastal Breeze, for July 2022. And as usual, if you are a subscriber, you will get a 30% code every month to use at their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. So the subscription is, I believe, $19.49 a month, and it's a great value. You really get a lot for your money. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to see what we got here. A little sneak peek. Here we go. So it looks like a peach organza bag that it's in this month here. And I'm going to open this up, get it organized, and come back and we will get rolling with it. So hold on there. Don't go anywhere. Okay, and we are back. So this month's Bargain Bead Box has 21 items at an approximate retail value of $69. So we're going to go ahead and get started with number one. Getting a little closer here, it looks like. That might be close enough. Let's see. So number one is a 30-piece 7.5 mil star bead caps, right there. And I better get in a little closer. Looks like. There we go. That's better, I think. These are pretty. Looks like they're detailed with a bit of a vintage look to it. It's pretty. Okay. Number two is a two-piece 22.5 mil starfish charms. This is going to be cute. Look at that. We have an already made pair of earrings here. This is so cute. And they are the same on each side. They're really pretty. Really big jump ring on the end. So these are really pretty. Okay, we got that. Number three. And we're going to continue with the starfish. The number three is a 51 by 53 mil textured starfish pendant. There we go. Look at that. That is really textured. That's really cool. It has your hole in there. There's the back. That's really pretty. Look great with these because the earrings are also textured. Number four. Number four is approximately 16-inch strand, 4x3 mil crystal rondelle beads in alabaster AB. Very nice. And of course the AB is for the Aurora Borealis finish, which gives it some extra sparkle along with the facets. Number five. Number five is approximately 10-inch strand, 8 mil crystal round beads in turquoise. Keeping with that coastal theme. It's pretty. Oh, pretty with the silver. So pretty. Okay, number 6. 6 is 7-inch strand, 14 mil synthetic turquoise starfish beads. There we go. These are pretty. Very pretty. It's gonna look good with the silver. This turquoise and silver looks really pretty together. Number 7. Number 7 is a 7.5 strand 8 mil polished seashell round beads. These are shiny. These are super shiny. Really pretty. On the opaque side. Feels nice and smooth. Number 8. 8 is a 1 meter 4x3 mil textured steel oval chain. It's pretty. These textured chains are really pretty. They really give bounce off the light. They really reflect the light. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. 9. 9 is 7-inch strand, 6x8 mil frosted weather agate cubes. There we go. These are pretty. Different texture. It's going to add another element to the project. 10. 10 is 15-inch strand of 5 mil mother of pearl shell round beads. There you go. It's pretty. This will go well with the colors. And 11. 11 is a 2-piece. Oops. These here. Let's see if we can get these in. This is a 2-piece hand-carved shell drops. Oh. And I guess it's 2 different colors here. One's a little more kind of tannish cream, and this one's, well, you can see. So to give you a sense of size. Oops. They are tiny. Number 12. This is going to add a pop of color. Number 12 is a 6-piece synthetic coral fluted melon beads in light turquoise. These are cute. You have your pre-drilled hole in there. So these are going to add some color. And 13. 13 is 10 gram bag, 13 by 18 mil shell and starfish links. And these are really cute. Look at these. So there it's attached. Okay. These are super, super cute. Look at these. My goodness. Really like these. I've never seen these before. Look how cute that is. Oh. That looks a little blurry. See if I can kind of give you a size on that. Whoop. It's really cute. Number 14. 5-piece 10 by 11 mil synthetic coral scallop beads. These are pretty. It's going to add another pop of color. These are synthetic coral. I was just wondering what it was made out of. It's really pretty. And we have 15 here. 15 is a 10-gram bag, 14 mil starfish beads. These are pretty. It's kind of really look pretty together. The links, same one on each side. It's going to be a fun project. 16. 16 is 7 by 5 strand, 7 by 5 inch strand of 8.5 by 8 mil electroplated lava stone barrel beads. With that, these are interesting. I haven't seen these before. I don't know if that's going to peel. Well, maybe not. Let's see, get our little handy dandy ruler out here. There we go. And these have some weight to it. It's very shiny, kind of like aluminum foil. Okay, 17, 2 sets, 21 by 16.5 mil, pebble textured toggle clasp. There we go. In keeping with that coastal theme. Very nice. Look how that's textured just on the side there to give it some detail. It's pretty. 18 2-piece 26 by 29 mil carved shell pendants. This is pretty. There we go. Very nice. Let's see here. It measures about an inch in width there on the bottom, the widest part. These are pretty. And 19 is a 40-piece strand, 6 by 4 mil freshwater shell beads in pale pink dyed. It's pretty. A little bit of pink to add to it. These are really pretty. Almost looks like a little bit of a tiger eye going on here. I don't know if you can see that. It's really pretty. 20 is 2-piece 14 by 15 mil handmade lampwork glass nautilus beads. Let's see what this is. There we go. It's the same on both sides. So this is also going to add some texture and color. There's the hole there and coming out there. And the last one, 21, 2-piece 34 by 9 mil, 2 stone agate oval beads in cream transparent ivory. So here we go. Look at that. It's another interesting piece. Probably can't see it. See what this is. So it's about 1.25 inches in length there. So very nice. And that's it for this month's theme. How pretty is this? All these pretty colors. The turquoise, the coral, the pink, the silver, the white and cream. I would have liked to have seen a little more tan color, like the color of sand in here. I would have liked to have seen some of that. But I'm sure, you know, I have that color somewhere. Actually, I don't know if I do. But look how pretty this is all together. Okay, so if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. You can hit the little thumbs up button. That would greatly help my channel out. And I think that's it. You can take a look at my stores. I have 2 Etsy shops. We have the beadedjewelstore.com, Poshmark. Also on eBay and Mercari, which I don't have on here. It's just too much to put on here. The printing will be too small, so I just put my main ones that we sell on. And I think that's it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.